Today, we tour a Newmark Homes right here in Harvest Green in the suburb of Houston, Richmond, Texas. This property is absolutely beautiful. I think you're gonna love it. You got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, quartz countertops, engineered wood flooring throughout the first floor, plus the primary downstairs, and a lot of great key features you don't want to miss. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Houston, Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, reach out to the contact information below, and I hope you folks enjoy the tour. All right, family, I'm excited to bring you this beautiful property right here in Harvest Green. Of course, this is a Newmark Homes, and as you're gonna see, you're gonna absolutely love it. So you have that stucco exterior with the stone entrance as soon as you walk into the covered front porch. And then we're gonna take a look right here. So this one is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath property, a little bit over 2,600 square feet. And the first room we're gonna take a look at is gonna be the beautiful study. So as soon as you see this, of course, this is gonna be some of the upgrades in here, but you're gonna have the lighting fixture right here that you can opt for with the clear story windows, with the tri-window right there as well. You're gonna have the window grids inside. You got the built-in shelving right here. Of course, this is the model home. So if this is something where you absolutely love it or you want some of these upgrades, we can definitely get that taken care of. You got the recessed lighting up there with the glass pane French doors. You're gonna have engineered wood throughout. This is gonna be a 2-car garage. And as soon as you walk right here in the kitchen, you're gonna notice the quartz countertop with essentially the farmhouse sink with the quartz backsplash. You have your pot filler right there, the stainless steel cooktop, wooden range hood as well. And if you notice towards the top, you have the cabinet crown. And then you have your stainless steel appliances, built-in oven with your built-in microwave. And this will be the pantry. So you got plenty of space in here to store some of the canned goods, even put some of your water down there. And if you notice, that engineered wood extends in there. Open to the living room. You have your high windows over there, 20-foot ceilings with the recessed lighting coming in throughout there again. Then you have your 5-inch baseboards as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So of course, this will just give you a basis of what the model home looks like. But of course, you know, there's other modifications and changes you can make, especially in the inventory homes, depending what you like, dislike. And then you have your beautiful chandelier extending down. And then now we'll head to the half bath right here. So you got your powder bath. If you're entertaining guests, you can just have them go right here without having to access other places in the room or in the house rather. And then this will be your primary bedroom. So as you see, you got your full furniture set right here with the king size bed, and you still have plenty of space to access. Absolutely beautiful. And then if you notice, you got your engineered wood flooring extending into the primary bedroom. And then you also have carpet in your walk-in primary closet. Plenty of space in here, plenty of shelving space up there. You can just put your shoes and all that good stuff. And then you also can add, you know, some extra storage space for your ties and things like that. You can pick that up at IKEA for a few $100. And this would be your primary bathroom. So you have your standing shower with your large soaking tub with the black faucet. Absolutely beautiful. Double sinks right here. Look how gorgeous this is. So you have your gold trim, quartz countertops extends in here. You have your tile flooring. And look how beautiful this backsplash is. I like this backsplash right here. It's definitely unique. Newmark Homes, they definitely know what they're doing. And then you have your toilet right there. Look how beautiful that is. And if you notice, it extends right here. Has a nice texture to it. That's a unique accent right there on the wall. If you notice, it's the engineered wood as well. So that's pretty unique. I haven't seen that one before. All right, so we'll take a look upstairs. So good thing is you have your primary downstairs. I know a lot of folks love the primary downstairs. That way you don't have to go up the stairs all the time. Most of the properties that are, ranging to from the 300s plus, they definitely take that into account. If you look right here, this will be another bedroom right here. Plenty of space. You got the recessed lighting again, extending up there with the LED ceiling fans right there. If you notice that, got carpet up here. I mentioned a lot of times to, in other videos and to my clients, sometimes it depends on what you like. If you like wood flooring upstairs and downstairs, or if you like carpet upstairs, I always say that, it's good to have carpet upstairs, because if you hear people walk in or you got kids running around, it kind of lightens that impact. This will be your third bedroom. Yeah, you got your little window nook over here with the grids and the windows as well. Plenty of space. So if you see right here, you have a small little dresser right there. You have a nice little queen size bed right here with the nightstand, and you still got plenty of space. Baseboards extend up here, and then this will be your closet. Decent sized closet in here. You can put whatever you need in there, and then we'll access right here. So you have your quartz countertops extended in here. Unique design tile right there. You got the black shower head, black faucets with the recessed lighting coming down, as well as the tile backsplash. Lighting fixtures up there. A lot of folks I come in contact with love those lighting fixtures. Those are the ones that they love to opt to buy. So that could be an option for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. Little closet right here. It looks almost like a pantry, but it's a closet. Then you got a nice sized game room. Perfect for entertaining, watching some football, watching some Lifetime, whatever you want to watch. And then I'll pan over here so that way you can get a good feel of what it looks like right here. Plenty of space. You have plenty of space right here. So it really feels a lot bigger for 2,600 plus square feet. You notice there's a lot of room in here. This will be your fourth bedroom. Plenty of space in here. You can even add another dresser in here. You have 2 nightstands, and this is kind of rare even with this square footage being in a model home, because a lot of times you won't see the 2 nightstands. You won't see that it has enough space for 2 nightstands with a dresser, with a bed. And this will be your closet right here. Nice size walk-in closet. I mean, you got your windows right there, plenty of space. And this will be your third bathroom. Unique backsplash right there. And if you notice, you have different lighting fixtures right there. Let me know what you think. You like the stainless steel lighting fixture, or do you like the other black lighting fixture that we've seen? But you still got the quartz countertops, silver trim knobs right here, or handles, and silver trim knobs. Light gray cabinetry, matches the tile flooring pretty good. And this is a lot different. These lighting, or these shower knobs and shower heads, and even this backsplash, a lot different. So yeah, it just really depends on what you like, what you dislike. There's a lot of options. Newmark Homes wants to make sure that they give you a variety of options. Of course, it'd be kind of pointless to put the same color tones and different knobs in all the bedrooms. That way, if you come into the model home, you find out what you like, dislike. And then this will be your little closet again. So you have a lot of storage space, and then I'll even show you downstairs what it looks like. All your engineered wood. I think it looks fantastic. So some people like the dining table, you know, connected close to the dining room, or the dining table in the living room close to it. So really just depends on what you like and don't like. Personal preference, really. But even just looking at this, look how much space you got. Plenty of space. Kitchen's great. It's hidden from the front door, which is awesome. And you see right here, another little washer and dryer room with the towel extending in there. And then you have a little closet in here. So what we'll do now is we'll take a look at the backyard, see what you're working with. Again, this is a 50-foot lot. So, you know, they got 45-foot lots, you got 50-foot lots, 60, 65, 70. You got up to 100. I mean, you got 100-foot lots. Depends on the builder that you build with, but you got your covered backyard patio with your ceiling fan right here. Enough room for some patio equipment, even some more chairs. Just kind of lounging around, hanging out. Depends on what you like. And then I'll make sure to show you the back exterior of the property. And ladies and gentlemen, that is Newmark Homes. All right, family, I hope you absolutely enjoyed the tour. If you did and you want more information about this Newmark Homes, reach out to the contact information in the description, and I'll see you folks on the next tour.